Melody, are you ready for Christmas? Are you ready for Christmas? It's your first Christmas. You ready for Santa Claus to come visit and leave you lots of presents? Yeah, are you excited? Yeah. What are you gonna say to Santa? Hey. Yeah? Are you gonna say thank you for my 2 front teeth? No? What do you want for Christmas? Never mind, I see we're taking a break, huh? Alright, it's time to shut the camera off for that.